What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. I know I said I wasn't gonna film in this location anymore today, but then I realized and remembered I hadn't been down this aisle, and this location just has so many options. I couldn't deny you guys, like I had to come over here. Oh my gosh, these are back and they're so cute. I had to come over here and share some of these items with you guys because not all locations have this many options. Oh, look you guys, the little collapsible pet bowls. Now I know these are for pets, but hear me out. I know these are for pets, but these might make a good little bowl if you're like on a diet or doing Weight Watchers or needing to pack things with you. Like this might be a good little option. I don't know, is it BPA free? It doesn't say. But a collapsible bowl would be a pretty good option. Wow. Play and Chew rawhide shoes, those are new. They just have so many frames here. Ooh, these are new. Look at this. And no butterflies were harmed in the making of this. Aww. It says follow your dreams and enjoy the little things. These are super pretty. Wow. Super cute. There's a variety of different ones. And then we just have a ton of these over here. These are all the little wall decorator, like wall stickers, jumbo stickers. We have even more butterflies. But you could also put them on glass. You could put them on journals. Look at these. You could do a lot of things with these. You could put them on packages. You can do a whole lot with these wall stickers. And they're double-sided. Lots for kids. Just a ton of choices. Ooh, and this location is loaded up with the Royal Linens. The Royal Linens. This is a room mist. Royal Linens. Lavender Dreams room mist. I thought some of these were going to be for fabrics, considering that it said Royal Linens. I thought, oh, maybe this is like a pillow mist. We have, what scent is that? Comfort. We have Ocean Breeze. We have Mediterranean Sage. We have Cherry Blossoms. And we have White Gardenia. The emergency candles. We also have lots of box candles down here. Ooh, Boardwalk Driftwood. Boardwalk Driftwood. So many candles. Wax melts. Even more wax melts hanging up. We have citrus, coconut and citrus, vanilla and beach rose essential oils. What's behind me? Oh, these are back. The furniture scratch markers are back. listen to how quiet it is in here right now. For a store this big, that is so quiet. A work light with magnet. The little pop socket dupes. These ones are all new with the little glitter. This is the location that had the little protective camera cases. Oh, look at the little lanterns. The little LED lanterns. I love these. These are great. Ooh, look you guys. We have matcha latte lip smackers. Those are really, really cute. Easter candy. I just saw something that's kind of exciting. I just found some glow in the dark glue. Cold Stone drizzled popcorn. Look at this, you guys. Now these definitely go for a lot more than $1 everywhere else, especially the glow in the dark ones. Look at that pretty color. If you have someone in your life that loves to make slime, they're gonna be thrilled with this. Slime is never going away officially, and thanks to TikTok, I know it's made a comeback. I mean, this is a really nice find. Ooh, so pretty. This one is just such a pretty color. Love that. Glow in the dark glue. I think I'm gonna have to get a couple of these. Yes, gonna have to get some for Birdie. Birdie's always like, hey mama, can I have a glue? And I'm like, yeah, I guess. That's her favorite fidget. Like, she still likes to use slime as one of her favorite fidgets. I think I'm gonna do 2 and 2. This is what I have in my cart so far. Yes, I have not too many things. A lot of the soup though. Oh, the little tambourines are new. Definitely new. A new thing for you to hear someone playing with in Dollar Tree. It's a nice little shape. We have red and blue and yellow. Oh, these are new also, fleur-de-lis, but the ones here in my location are pretty banged up. Look at these, you guys. These are brand new. I have never seen these before. Oh my gosh. I have never seen these before. These are so pretty. These would be pretty in the fish tank. Super pretty. In the craft aisle, do we have anything new over here? I feel like I'm checking over here a lot because we've just had a lot of newness lately. These little glass mosaic tiles are new. Definitely brand new for the week. The craft bond is new. These are precision tip glue pens. And it's from Elmer's. Nice. Yeah, you guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I could film in this location all day. and be totally happy. But I am headed to another town today, and another Dollar Tree as well. But I definitely had fun filming in this location for you guys. So please show me some love, hit the like button, and interact with the video by leaving a comment. It really does show YouTube and the algorithm that you guys enjoy this content and that you enjoy hanging out with me. So please show a little love. It really does help. But hey, you guys, I had a great time in here. And like I said, I could film in here all day. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Be kind. Aw, I love that. That is so sweet. All right, you guys. Well, that's it for me. I love you guys all so, so much. Thanks for spending some of your day with me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.